Okay, so I'm making NFTs, and I'm going to show you how you could make them. They're super easy to make. Really all you need is a JPEG or PNG or any kind of image, really. And then you upload it onto a website like Opensea is what I'm using. But this is basically just my process I'm showing you through. I took a bunch of my old illustrations and artworks and I uploaded them onto Photoshop, and I'm just manipulating them now and just trying to make them seem more aesthetically pleasing and nicer as digital pieces. And it's just like my process into that. So I just take these old images and drop them into Photoshop and then work a different number of image effects onto them, different kinds of tools to manipulate them, make them seem better, more attractive, more intimate, give them more of a feeling to them. This one here was a watercolor painting that had started as from a couple years ago, and I pulled it back and I'm just trying to make it seem better. This one's also just an illustration I made. Memento Mori. If you know, you know, right? This is another watercolor painting that I'm manipulating in Photoshop. Just a bunch of different masks, unsharp mask. One of my favorites, just to like make it pop more, make it seem more aesthetically pleasing. I ended up doing a sky replacement, as you can see there, which was pretty cool. It's another skull. I have a lot of skulls, but just going in there, adding different kind of textures, different kinds of effects, things to make it pop more in the digital scene. This was a self-portrait I had made, called it Van Gogh, because it's like Van Gogh, his impressionistic style. I did this one for a final for one of my art courses. Pretty happy with how it turned out, but again, put it in Photoshop, editing some stuff, adding some more stuff. And that's basically what this video is, just my process into photo manipulation with Photoshop and uploading them as NFTs, seeing if I can grow in the community. Maybe somebody would appreciate my work, invest in it. This is only the start, so subscribe to see where I end up. Thank you. Deuces. Yeah, that's basically it. Just edited it a little more in Adobe Fresco, I think it was. And then I uploaded all of them as JPEGs, and I'm gonna upload them onto Opensea today. And I'll do a follow-up video soon. See how that goes. If you made it till the end, thank you again. Really appreciate it, because I'm really just starting to take it all seriously. As much as I don't like to talk to strangers, realize I'm gonna have to do that if I want to grow as an artist, so this is me doing that. Hope you all have a wonderful day.